Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my everyday makeup. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look, and this is sweat proof, heat proof, and this makeup is not gonna budge, I can promise you that. So I hope you guys stick around for the video. Make sure you guys stay until the end and make sure that you guys are subscribed. Go ahead and give this video a like and hit the notification bell down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this look. Don't mind my hair, it's crazy, it's doing its own thing. I'm just gonna let it be because my hair is really curly, as you can tell. Probably one of the most important steps to long-lasting makeup is whatever products you use underneath your makeup. I'm going to be going in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just going to put this all over my face just so the products on my face have something to kind of grip to and hold on to, and it won't budge after we set it. What I like to do is use this Urban Decay Inked Brow Tint, and this is one of my favorite products ever to use, and this product is waterproof. That's what makes it so amazing. And you pretty much just put the brush on your eyebrows as you desire, and it gives you a tint that can last up to 72 hours. So this is by far my favorite eyebrow gel. It is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This will hold your brows through anything. So now that my brows are complete and I have my primer setting in my face, I'm going to move on with some face products. When I do decide to wear foundation, it's usually a skin tint or a foundation with very light coverage that just gives you an overall glow, and it's super lightweight too. So today, this is what I'm going to be using. It's the Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. After you are done applying your foundation or skin tint, I have a concealer that has very minimum coverage, but it is very hydrating and luminous, and that's why I really like it. This is the Hourglass Veil Retouching Fluid. And then whatever extra concealer I have left on the sponge, I just bring onto my eyelid. Now I'm going to set my face before I do the rest of my face makeup. And to do that, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Translucent Setting Powder, and this is so good. This is probably one of the most important products that I will be talking about in this video. This powder holds all of your makeup in place all day, and this powder has worked wonders for me, so I highly recommend it. I really love the entire line of Urban Decay all-nighter products. Even though I have dry skin, it still works. It doesn't make my skin look dry or cakey, and I highly recommend this to everyone. Now to even everything out, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Pressed Powder, and this is the same thing as the loose powder but just in a pressed form. I'm not going overboard with powder, but I just want to make sure that everything is locked into place. So next I'm going to take the Benefit Earth Angel 4 Scope palette, and I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer that is in here and just apply this with a big brush all over my face. So I'm staying in with the same palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Honeymoon, and this is a blush. I'm going to apply this to my cheeks and kind of mix it in a little bit with my bronzer that I just put on, but I'm not going overboard. So I'm still sticking with the same palette, and I'm going in with the highlighter, the shade Cookie. So that brings me to the next part, which is mascara. And this has quickly become my new favorite mascara. This is the L'Oreal Air Volume Waterproof Mascara. So I finished mascara, and now the next step is to put some setting spray on, and this is one of the most important steps in the entire makeup routine. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray, and this is such an important step to this makeup look, and this setting spray is so good. It'll make your makeup last for so long. I really love all of Urban Decay's all-nighter products in that line. This is one of the most important steps in this entire makeup look. You want to make sure that it is all dry, and if there are any water droplets on your face, you can just take the same beauty sponge that you were using before and just pat it in. Last, we have lips, and I am just loving the look of a juicy lip. I have been obsessed with lip oils and lip tints. This is from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Sugar Rush lip oil, I believe, and this is in the shade Cherry Slush. It just gives you a nice juicy lip. It's nice and hydrating. And there we have it. I absolutely love how this looks. It looks very natural, and it's almost like a no makeup look. I really love how this look turned out. I know it's very simple, but that's how it's supposed to be. I can do this look very quick. I would really appreciate it if you guys would stay tuned for my channel, because I have a lot of content coming your way, including a big life update. Thank you all for sticking around in this video. I hope you all liked it, and comment down below and on my Instagram for a chance to be in the next video shout out. Follow me on Instagram, comment down below if you want a shout out in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!